did I get so far gone? Where do I belong? Where in the world did I ever go wrong? If I took the time to replace what my mind erased, I still feel as if I'm here but I'm gone. Perched up in a rocking chair with my feet all bare, rolling my blunt in a cigar wrap, living at a lesser mind. Never do take the time, waiting for my heart quiet as it's kept. How did I get so far gone? Where do I belong? Where in the world did I ever go wrong? If I took the time to replace what my mind erased, I'll still feel as if I'm here but I'm gone. Mama told me I was best, arguing, punching the chest. Girl, now be strong, let me take you home. I'd seen her eyes so sincere, screaming what got me here, standing in the world with my mind all blown. Oh yeah, how did I get so far gone? Where do I belong? Where in the world did I ever go wrong? Oh, if I took the time to replace what my mind erased, I still feel as if I'm here but I'm gone. Yeah. I do nothing but waste my time, leaving the world behind, smoking my soul just to keep me high. Around the boys I played my part rough, keeping myself tough enough.